All right. So this will be just a quick meeting since there is no new content anymore. So I just decided to stop right here. So supposedly you're going to have one more quiz, which is the Millman's theorem, but I decided not to add one more since I just want you guys to maybe have that time, that one remaining week for you guys to prepare for your final exam. Okay, since I think having one, two, three, and four, yeah, four quizzes is already enough in finals. And then after that will be your final exam already, which will be on August 3. So let me just recheck. August 3. No, my bad. It's on August 6. So you actually still have more than 1 week. So 1 week and 5 days, 1 week and 4 days before your final exam as your free time to review or to finish all the remaining activities. Okay. Well, anyway, so let us proceed now to your main reason why you guys are here. So do you guys have any questions or clarification regarding with the module 7 up to module 12? If none, just give me a thumbs up so that I would know that you yourself doesn't have the question. Hmm, Are you guys not around? Lab 7. Sa lecture pa lang tayo. Anyway, okay, so I will answer that one. So yeah, that is actually one of the problem of Canvas. I don't know why sometimes it allowed to put you an answer of 0, but sometimes if you put a 0, it will leave as a blank, as if like you weren't able to answer that question. So in that case, just comment. Okay, just put a comment on the section we're in. So just notify me that, sir, the blank on the questionnaires or the blank that you have answered is actually 0. Okay, so just let me know that that one is actually 0 instead of blank for the laboratory. Okay. What about in lecture? Since we are still in lecture, so do you guys have any concerns or clarification so far under our lecture? Mr. Paran, and who else? And Mr. Valentine. I already saw Mr. Shan or Sian giving me thumbs up. No question? Okay. So let me just remind you guys regarding with the module 11 and 12 since we don't have the quizzes or activity for these modules anymore. So in module 11, so we could say that this is actually a new theorem similar with Thevenin's, Norton's, and so on and so forth. So you will come up with this certain circuit. Okay, so that's the Millman's theorem circuit, and then of course it has its own equation, and then it has its own way of solving things. Okay, so yeah, it's quite easy to follow if you already familiarize the previous theorem since it is kind of similar, let's say 50%. So they have this pattern wherein once you learn one theorem, you will get this one also right away. However, in module 12, okay, so this is like just an additional one, okay? So I wouldn't call this one as a new theorem. So you can actually just combine this one to your Thevenin's or Norton's theorem, okay? So you will redraw that, a circuit into Thevenin or Norton's, right? And then with that, just get the maximum power transfer that's, being solved in there. So here we have 39.2 watts as the dissipated power. Okay, and then we have here if you're going to try to lower the load resistance to 0.5 instead of 0.8, you will get 37.11 as your power dissipated. Okay, so in here you're trying to experiment which one will give you the highest maximum power that will be dissipated in that circuit. Okay, so in here I think the maximum power is 38 point, what is that, 8 or 39? I think it's 39. So anyway, I'm just saying that this is just an additional, okay, let's just say 10%. Okay, not really a new theorem, but it's just part of Thevenin's or Norton's theorem. Okay, so with that, we can say that this is the easiest one. Okay, as long as you're getting the correct values of your Thevenin circuit or the Norton's circuit. Okay, so my only recommendation is just try to find quizzes or activities or more examples when it comes to Millman's theorem and then the maximum power transfer theorem. Okay, since we're not going to have any more quizzes or activities on this course anymore. So the same with your thesis study number 5, I decided not to publish this one anymore. Okay. So with that being said, so maybe I will just give the remaining dates or the remaining meetings. Let's just say the July 25 and then the August 1 as your free time to finish your activities in other courses also. Okay, since we are already done, we have already tackled all of the modules under this course. Okay, so that's already it. If you guys don't have any other questions or clarifications anymore, then you guys may know. So as always, thank you guys for coming and a blessed day to all of you. Unless you guys have more questions, so feel free to let me know. If not, if none, you guys may not go. Okay. Thank you too and goodbye.
Sir,
Chess, Mr. Ian.
sir, yung final answer, di ba, ano, 2 decimals?
Hmm. Well,
May isa
actually,
kasing, may isa
yeah.
kasing, ano, isang laboratory pa yun. Ay, laboratory. May isang quiz. 4 decimals yung, ano, kukunin. Yun yung, ano, nilagay.
It's okay if it's just 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. It's set in margin error naman. So for example, it's within the range. So it doesn't have to be exact as long as it's within the range. I've set the margin error. So pwedeng, for example, 34.5. I've set the range of answer from 33.5 to 35.5. So meron tayong margin error na +1 and then -1. So as long as it's within, so for example, 34.5678, as long as nasa range siya, that's still correct. Okay? Doesn't have to be exactly as it is. So recommendation ko lang yun para pare-parehas tayo ng computation. 2 decimals para hindi masyadong magkalayo.
Pero yung maximum range na nilalagay mo, sir, ilang decimal places po?
2 lang. 2. Just 2.
Okay po. Thank you po.
Alright.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Okay, goodbye and thank you.